I am Rajalakshmi S. Rai from Vidyalakshmi First Grade College, Savanur. Now I am taking Financial Accounting of second year. This is the part second, admission of a partner. We already studied about the theory. Now we are studying about the practical aspect, and that ratios. See, we have to calculate two type of ratios. One is sacrifice ratio, one is new ratio. So sacrifice ratio we mean it is the old ratio minus new ratio, and the new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Yes, here I written one problem. First we have to analyze the problem. C and D are partners. So C and D are old partners. It is important. C and D are old partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. This 3:2 is the old partners old ratio. So it is the old partners old ratio. They admit E into partnership and given him 1/4 share. It is important. Here C and D combinedly given the share or sacrifice the share to the new partner, that is E. In the future profit, calculate sacrifice ratio and new ratio. See here how to analyze the problem. Old ratio is given and combined sacrifice of the old partner is given. So we have to calculate the new ratio and sacrifice ratio. First we can see calculate the sacrifice ratio. So here only given 1/4 share to the new partner. So we have to assume that the whole profit of the firm be 1. Take the whole profit of the firm be 1. Next, whole profit of the firm is 1. Out of that 1/4 is given by the partners. So 1/4 is sacrificed by the partners. Therefore, remaining share is 3/4. Understood how it is 3/4? Take it as 4. So here it is 1 means here it is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3/4. So easy method is 1/4 means just minus 4 minus 1, it is 3. So 3/4. So 3/4 is the ratio. Then what is their old ratio? So share sacrificed by old partner is first partner is C. His share is 3:2 means 3 plus 2. It is 5. So 5 out of 5 C's sacrifice is 3. So 3/5 into, it is not minus, here it is into 3/4. So just multiply it. 3 into 3, 9, 5 into 4, 20. Then, like that, we have to calculate for D also. Share sacrificed by D is equal to, so his share here it is 2. So 2 by total is once again 3 plus 2, it is 5 into share sacrificed is 3/4. Once again multiply 3 into 2, 6, 5 into 4, 20. Therefore, share sacrificed by C and D is equal to 9/20 is to 6/20 or 9 is to 6. So it is the sacrifice ratio. Then we have to calculate the new ratio. How to calculate the new ratio? New ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So, new ratio, therefore, we are already calculated the sacrifice ratio here. We know the old ratio. So, it is very easy to calculate the new ratio. The formula is for new ratio is old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So, remember always in new ratio, all that is old partner share plus new partner share should be included. Therefore, the new ratio of first partner is C is equal to his old ratio is 3 by 5 minus his sacrifice ratio is, take this also 9 by 20. Then it is easy. So here 20, 5 4 times, so multiply here 4. So 4 into 3, 12 minus 9 into 1, 9. That is 3 by 20. 3 by 20. Like that, we have to calculate the new ratio of D. D is new ratio, that means his old ratio, that is 2 by 5 minus share sacrificed by him is 6 by 20. Once again, here we have to multiply by 4. So 4 means it is 8, common denomination is 20. Here it is 1 minus 1, so it is 7 by 20. So it is new ratio, so we have to calculate the new ratio for the new partner also. So it is 6 into 1, 6. Sorry. So it is 2 by 20. 2 by 20. So once again we have to calculate the new ratio for the new partner. It is given his share is 1 by 4. So new ratio of E is equal to, it is given 1 by 4. So here it is in 20. So we have to convert it into 20. How to convert it 20? So 4 5s are, so multiply by 5. So it is 20 by 5. So it is the new ratio. Therefore, new ratio of C, D and E is equal to 3, I am writing here, 3 by 20. 3 by 20 is to 2 by 20 is to 5 by 20 or 3 is to 2 is to 5. Understood? This is one type of problem. How old ratio is given and share sacrificed by the old partners totally is given. Then we can see the second type of problem. Read the problem. A and B partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 7:3. I am writing here 7:3. It is the old ratio of A and B. Then the firm they take C into the firm as a new partner and is given 1/4 share. So he is given with the 1/4 share. If it is given only this much, same problem that first problem, but there is a continuation. See here, then share in the profit which is contributed by A and B in the ratio of 3:2. So once again given, this 1/4 share is sacrificed by A and B in the ratio of 3:2. It is important. So this is the main difference between the last problem and this problem. So here it is given in 3:2. Then how to calculate here? So here we have to calculate the sacrifice ratio. How to calculate the sacrifice ratio? No, we have to, So sacrifice ratio of A is equal to out of 3 by 5. 3 plus 2, 5. So 3A. So he is given with the 1/4 share. So it is 3 by 20. Then sacrifice ratio of B. Once again, his whole share is sacrificed by him is, share sacrificed by him is 2 by 5 into share is 1 by 4. So it is 2 by 20. So this is the sacrifice ratio. Now we have to calculate the new ratio. Apply the formula. New ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Now we can easily calculate the new ratio. New ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Therefore, new ratio of A is equal to, what is this old ratio? It is 7 by 7 plus 3, 10. So 7 by 10 minus 3 by 20. So common denominator is 20. So multiply by 2. So it is 14 minus 20 into here 1. So 3. So it is 11 by 20. Then like that we have to calculate for B also. Therefore the new ratio of B is equal to its old ratio is 3 by 10 minus share sacrificed by him is 2 by 20. So common denominator is 20. Here multiply by 2. 6 minus here 1, 2 is 4 by 20. Another important point, new ratio should be include both old partner share as well as new partner's share. Therefore, C's new ratio is equal to, share given to C is 1 by 4, convert it to 20. Then we have to multiply by 5. So 5 by 20. Then once again we have to write, therefore sacrifice ratio of A, B and C is equal to 11 by 20 is to 4 by 20 is to 5 by 20, or it is 11 is to 4 is to 5. So this is second type of ratio. With this we can end this class. We can see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.